Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm here with a H&M haul because I'm slightly obsessed with H&M. Like, it's affordable, it does like amazing clothes, easy to get hold of like in store and online. Yeah, I'm just slightly obsessed. So I thought I'd do a H&M haul for you guys because I've been picking quite a few bits up lately. Some of them I just ordered online, and then a few of them I actually went to the H&M showroom in London and they very kindly like gifted me a few items. But the majority of it I did by myself. But yeah, so I'm going to show you what I bought, try it all on for you guys, and of course it will all be linked down below if you did want to go and get anything. Also, I just want to introduce you to my new flowers, which is from the brand Grace Flower Box. They're basically like real roses, but they last for like years. So yeah, I think these are like the white something coronations. I'm not sure, I'm not a flower expert, but I will link them down below. They smell amazing and they have like loads of different colours, different colour boxes and everything like that. So yeah, that is just going to be living there for the time being. First up we have these, which are like brown kind of paper bag style trousers. I love a good pair of trousers because I literally find jeans so uncomfortable. So yeah, these are like really nice because they look fashionable and cute, but they're also really comfy and you can just wear them around your house. So yeah, they have like a tie in the waist, so it's nice, you can like cinch in your waist and everything. And then I've got my little receipt here. So price wise, these were £19.99 and I got them in a size 8. Okay, so this is what the trousers look like on. I just styled them really casually with like a little white top and some trainers, but I personally love them. I feel like they're really comfortable, easy to chuck on, but kind of look quite nice. You could definitely dress them up with like a pair of heels or something, or just wear them casual like I have. But yeah, I'm definitely going to keep these, and for like £19.99 I feel like you can't go wrong. And I'm pretty sure they came in other colours as well, so yeah, I will link them down below if you did want to go check them out, or any of the other colours. Next up I have a little dress. You know, we're getting into spring summer now, so I've been buying a few more like summery pieces. So this here, it's like a long sleeved kind of crochet dress, or is this like embroidery anglaise? Is that what it's called? I have no idea, I could be like totally pronouncing that wrong, but I feel like you know the one I mean. So yeah, it's got a little like slip dress underneath, so it's not like see-through or anything, but I just thought this with like a little belt in the middle to kind of cinch it in, very kind of like festival Coachella vibe. Not that I'm going to Coachella, but I will pretend I am here in London. Okay, so this is what the dress looks like on. I just paired it with a black belt and black like Doc Martens. But yeah, I'm obsessed. I feel like if I was going to Coachella, this is what I'd wear. Not that I am, but your girl can dream. But even if you was going to another festival, I feel like this outfit is great. I also think it would look really nice with like a brown belt and brown boots. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. I definitely feel like I'm going to keep it. I'm not sure if I mentioned the price. It was £59.99, so definitely quite expensive for H&M. But honestly, I feel like it's such good quality. Next thing I got are just these little shoes. I just thought these were like really simple in the summer, throw on with like little dresses, little denim shorts and that kind of thing. So yeah, they're just this like nude faux suede kind of pointy flats, and they were price wise, I feel like they were quite cheap. They were £17.99. So yeah, I just thought so simple for in the summer, but just like really comfy to just throw on. Next up I have this little denim skirt. I actually picked this up from the H&M showroom, so I'm not sure on the price, but I would estimate it's between like £15 to £25, something like that. But it just like buttons up in here, and then it has some little like distressing, but I just thought it was so cute for summer. I know I often prefer like denim skirts to denim shorts because I find denim shorts can sometimes be like really uncomfortable. So yeah, I got this in a size 8 in case you were wondering. Okay, so this is what the denim skirt looks like. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. I did try it on in the showroom, so I knew I was going to love it. But yeah, I just love the fit of it and everything. I think it looks really cute for like spring, summer. Let me get up close so you can kind of see the details a bit more. So it has like the button up here, but it's kind of hidden. And then the slight distressing on it. Lengthwise it is short, but I feel like I can get away with it, but obviously I am like 5'8", 5'9", so everything's pretty much short on me. Size wise I think the 8 fits really well. It's ever so slightly big around my waist, but I feel like I could definitely just put on a belt and have it kind of like tight like that. But yeah, absolutely love this. I'll put a link to it down below. I don't feel like it's that expensive, probably like £15–25, something like that. Next up is a blazer. So it's just this one here, so it's like a camel blazer. However, it is quite thick, so I'd say it's almost like a jacket, but it just has 2 little buttons, and I just thought something really simple to throw on over jeans and that kind of thing. I got it in a size small, and I think it was £39.99, so not too bad for like a blazer, and it is really good quality. So I've got the camel blazer on. Definitely comes up quite oversized. It has like a boyfriend fit to it. So this is the small, I think. So if you did want like a more fitted look, then I would definitely size down. But I personally quite like that kind of oversized fit. I feel like it makes it look quite kind of casual and cool. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. I just like styled it really simply with like blue jeans, white t-shirt kind of thing. And then this is what it looks like up close. So yeah, it has the little buttons here. And then obviously you can go like that and kind of make it a bit more casual. I feel like I'm going to keep it because it is really good quality for the price. I've been looking at blazers for like quite a long time, and I ordered some from like Mango and Zara, and they're like £80 for a blazer, and to be honest this is like better quality than any of the ones I picked up from there. So yeah, definitely check out H&M for blazers. And I also picked up the same blazer in the black. So it just looks like that. Again, it's almost like a jacket kind of material, I would say. £39.99, and I got it in a size small. Okay, so this is what the blazer looks like. I really like it. Definitely comes up quite oversized, so I would say go down a size. But I personally quite like that oversized look. So yeah, I quite like it. I feel like I'm going to keep it. I just think it's like a really easy thing to chuck on. It just makes an outfit look quite like simple, minimal, but kind of like sophisticated and like you're fashionable, you know. Let me show you it up close. So this is kind of what it looks like. Definitely is quite thick. It's double lined, which I like because it means like I can wear it out at the moment without having to like put coats on over the top or anything like that. And obviously you could like roll up the sleeves as well, kind of do that, makes it look a little bit more casual. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. I have this little denim skirt here, so it's in like a camel colour, and then it has kind of white contrast stitching, super stretchy. Again, I picked this up at the showroom, so I'm not sure on the price, but I would say probably like £15 because it's like so affordable at H&M, which is why I love it so much. And again, I got this in a size 6. So I probably would recommend sizing down in these because they are quite stretchy. I absolutely love this skirt. I love the colour of it. I feel like it's a little bit different than just like a blue or black denim skirt. And it has like the white contrast stitching, which I feel like adds a nice little bit of detail, so it's not like so plain. It's really stretchy and like comfortable. Obviously I got this in a size 6. And I'm normally like an 8 or a 10 in kind of skirts and bottoms. So I definitely feel like you can go down a size because it is so stretchy. And even this, like I could probably go down a size even more if I wanted to. But yeah, let me show you close up what it looks like. So yeah, I've just paired it with like a little white top, which I feel like ties in really nicely with the contrast stitching. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. I also think this comes in blue as well. If you were looking for like just a denim skirt, then I feel like this is a really good one to check out. I have just a really simple white shirt, so it's like high necked and it kind of buttons up at the back, and then the sleeves just like go down like this, and it has almost like this cuffed thing at the bottom, however there's like a slit in it. Okay, so my camera just died on me because it ran out of battery, but I am back now, and as I was saying, this is like the shirt. So it has these kind of cuffed sleeves, however they have like this split in them. I feel like this is really hard to explain, but you'll see what it looks like on. And then size wise, I got this in a UK size 6. Again, this was something I picked up at the showroom, so not sure on the prices. Okay, so I've just tucked the blouse into some blue mum jeans, which are from Topshop. I will link them down below as well because they are like my favourite jeans ever. But yes, I've got blue jeans, black boots, but I also think heels would work really nicely. But yeah, this is what the like blouse shirt thing looks like on. I really like it. I feel like it looks quite like kind of chic. It's definitely the kind of top you could wear to work, you could wear out of like an evening. There's so many different ways you can wear it. I actually tried it on with the denim skirts and it looked really nice. I will insert some pictures of that so you can kind of see other ways to style it. But yeah, I just think it's a really easy kind of shirt blouse to chuck on. So I got another pair of trousers. These again are like a paper bag style waist. I feel like H&M does the paper bag trousers like the best. I have quite a few pairs from them. They do them in like so many different colours and styles. So yeah, this one is like a checkered. I thought I'd go with something a little bit different. And size wise it was a UK size 8, and then price it was £19.99. So yeah, you'll see what they look like on. I'm not sure about them, like I'm not sure about the like pattern and colour, but I will have a go at like styling them up and kind of seeing what they look like. So this is what the trousers look like on. I personally prefer the other style of trousers I had, like the other paper bag ones. I just think they fit me a lot better, these ones. I'm not really sure on the fit of them, so I feel like I might return them. And I feel like they come up a little bit too short on me. However, I am 5'9", so like on most people it will come up at a good length, but for me I feel like they are a little bit too short. So I have just this really basic knit here, so it's in like a light kind of beigey oatmeal shade. Yeah, not the best at explaining colours, but it's just like really simple, comfortable. It's like ribbed, I'm not sure if you can see. It's quite thin, so it will be good for like spring. And then size wise I got this in a small. Again, I picked this up at the H&M showroom, so I'm not sure on the price, but yeah, it will be linked down below. So just styled the top with just blue jeans and black boots. Really simple, casual, personally what I would like wear it with. But yeah, I really like it. It's just simple and comfortable, but I feel like it looks quite nice as well. It has like these like bat wing kind of sleeves, which I personally like. I think it gives it like a cool kind of look to it. But let me show you up close. This is kind of what it looks like. That's the neck on it. And then last thing I got, I mean it had to be a coat. It's not a Katherine Bond haul without a coat. So this one is like a checkered print coat. Not sure on it, but I thought I have so many like just plain one colour coats, so I thought I should probably pick up like a pattern coat and just give it a go, have a try on with it, see if it works. And the light's definitely just changed, sorry about that. But yeah, so it's in like almost like a trench style coat, however it's like fully lined, has like the belt in the middle which you can like tie around your waist. And then size wise I got this in an extra small, and then price it was £59.99. Okay, so this is what the coat looks like on. Yeah, I'm not sure on it. The thing I don't like is this kind of detail on the collar. It has like a cutout. I wish it was just like one big collar, you know. Other than that, I do really like it. And you obviously have the tie, which you can kind of tie around and like cinch in the waist. I do think it's quite like a nice pattern. It's not too out there, but it's different than just your like plain coats, you know. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. Not sure yet. I feel like I might return it just because of this like cut out collar thing. It's just not for me. Okay, so that is everything I picked up from H&M. I really hope you enjoyed this haul. Of course it will all be linked down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!